Hey everybody, Carl here from App, and we've got one of LG's brand new 2019 models here, the SM9000. We've got the 55-inch version that we're going to unbox for you and show you what comes inside. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut through the tape on the top, like we do in almost every one of these. And we'll see if that worked. Oh yeah. And the first things you see on the top here are how to properly unbox this. We got a power cable here, a bottom piece of the pedestal, and the top piece of the pedestal, I think. Let's take that out and just make sure. Yep, and that's the piece that is going to attach to the back of the television. And we're going to break here, take the rest of the TV out of the styrofoam, kind of get it set up and give you guys a first look at what we've got here. All right, so we've got the SM9000 all set up. As you saw in the video, you're definitely going to want a second person to help you out, especially if you're unboxing the 55-inch or greater. Even the 49-inch really is just kind of awkward to get out of the box. And there is a packet of accessories at the bottom too that we found after we got everything out. So make sure to keep an eye out for that because you will need the stuff that's in that bag. And let us know. I mean, we've got a picture up here. So far, it looks really good. If there's any features you guys are going to want to see, let us know down in the comments. We're going to do a full overview video and we'll try and touch on as much stuff as we can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload that new content.